Kuliah Buni Fibro Station Part kajung tip namta ki kubor light cam. The light cam biang sakumba shispa khandai photali e hapo TSC is Khas Hill District. Te kitu ku bokwa ban apply sampai ki video hodo bakun. Te hang ne ladap tho ladap ong ba sha tang ya ki permanent resident of East Khas Hill. Tang ya kinong East Khas Hill mo. Last recruitment ki sha ki ong ba preference tang ya ki is tang ba ki wer ki lap na apply. Ndai minta ladap tho ba directly ba only the permanent resident of East Khas Hill District. Te mudba kiwe na we district nam yo shu ban apply kan mau paham dengan pulih kum kaneka advertisement. The district selection committee DSC East Khas Hill District Shillong invite online application from only tang a permanent resident of East Khas Hill District Mikhalia in compliance with memorandum the who are desirous to apply as per the term and condition of the advertisement for filling up the vacancy. Dengan page yang tu, candidate can apply in the vacant post with effect 3 September. Nadu lai tarik September, kala ban apply. Kelas date kedai lai tarik Oktober arajar absen, but one nom up kelas date kat berflight boy apply no nomor bun teng ke website katut pedeng lane hajan last date mo. Last date of payment will be on the 6th of October. To ki aipor ban siu pada kelas date kedai ndru Oktober, re kelas date ban apply kedai lai tarik Oktober. After which the link will be disabled. Okay. Dengan page minta post kebalat dia minta kerejong LDA kom typist kandai artali spotali you are on reserve nyop santali khasi jaintia lani garu kepakan tup artali ki sports person nyop tali minta ki order STSC kategori mau ke level kedai level 5 qualification kedai class 10 pass mau matriculation class 10 pass SLC pass for recognized board with certificate in computer hang ne board with certificate in computer application mo don kam ya ka certificate computer mo ke bako apply from a recognized computer training institute minimum 3 months mutba kata ka certificate jembi dai minimum 3 months duration with a minimum speed of 30 watts per minute te ke bala like te ke la tep hi ke kata ka 30 watts per minute. Then next kadika sectional assistant lipo tali kan mamo lipo tali sautali UR arpentru tali khas jantia garu barok gelong lipo tali kaneru class 10 pass. Then next malai fishery demonstrator khandai tali kawe UR pratali khas jantia garu tekane bede fishery demonstrator kade class 12 science pass with biology bede as one other subject mo tangki class 12 science pass with biology kila ban apply. Nam tak forester 1 kane don R tali bukan see te artali UR bat khat pratali khas jantia kane ka forester pada haban mare mo don kami ka yune class 12 pass candidate must have passed 12 science stream tangki class 12 and above or equivalent examination from a recognized board. Minimum physical standard fitness kahat kadai nam taki senrang sispa andruplai centimeter nam tai kentai sispa sanpo centimeter kachas isenrang nyup khandai normal sun expanded you can take nyup saw normal but sun expanded tep reki pan you can teru misal jupan re kachas the minimum height for SCST to kate kade open no kate jrong smart reply kane bede ka relaxation am tagi SCST kade sispa san po arka haji isenrang sispa saw pusan ya ki kante nomor kane ki haban yak ben mare ru shwa ba pinto exam. Candidate must qualify for a physical test conducting for a walk of 1 km for male candidates and 16 km for female candidate to be completed within 4 hours. Hapo sau kanta te phiyaj le phimare kasongapi tama phapandap bej hapo sau kanta. Sakawai part soil and water conservation demonstrator kane khandai tali santali UR khalai tari khasajendia kawai order SCST kaneru 12 pass kaneda la thomo 12 pass or equivalent examination in science stream recognized by the government. 12 pass or equivalent examination in science stream by the government must be willing to serve in any interplace in Meghalaya will apply the willing medical fitness certificate from applicant on come medical fitness certificate ru shall have executed bond to not go 11 months training taken sa le andal ayo ekakam. They will be provide a monthly stipend during the course of training. Okay. The age limit kan day khatpra do life R plus sans name kan long khatpra do life news name. Then nam tak forester hang ni ladap ayang tu laka jong mo forester. Age limit for forester will be as per OM per 38 to bahkan day karpra do life post name but plus sans name karpra do life sans name nam ta tangi ka forester mo ada mention ang do nam ta PWD candidate upper age limit will be as per office memorandum. A grade of birth can accept kat kumbala entara poka matriculation certificate. No upper age limit for candidate who are already in regular government service. Kila tri sarkar umdan kam ayushu umdan age limit shu. Itulah biang, okay. Applicant may pay the fees of 100 namta ki UR category general sanpon tingka namta ki STSC kawai ka post mo sanpo kawai ka post apply lightly sanslai khat sanchis pa sanpo lightly gamta kai. Kindly note. Okay, kita menonton kamera instruction candidate online te ka website yang sabu kali ngapa description. A unique application code will be generated each of the post applied. The application code shall be used for all fresher correspondent with the office. The mode is to be provided at time of online payment using SBI Collect. Okay. Tak power apply insadon uta unique application code no. Mar benta kila sedang melet mai bakin long baik tang uwe be code hadu ka ba kila yo ekakam. Kini menonton kamera men batai te kiju hi kijing batai te tangkat tuhi temar akan mau hang dia ada mention lupa. Makin bun baik sebakali hanya ada mention lupa invite online application from only the permanent resident of Iskasil tetang cibana Iskasil ila ban apply na unta kani ke post balai ke ba sispa kandai po teli tetang kan hi college bun